Welcome back to MagicJS tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how you can navigate from one page to another and how you can use route parameters on navigation. Let's get into it. We have already set up two pages, one at /page1 and the other at /page2. Let's open them in separate tabs so we can observe the URLs while testing. We can see that this is page 1 and this is page 2. So let's enable navigation in page 1 first. Here, let me add a new button. We'll use the Andy button itself. Now let's wrap it inside the link component, which is imported from magicjs.dev/frontend. Now add the to prop in the link tag and set the path to /page2. After refreshing the page, you will see the button. Click on it and yes, we can navigate to page 2. Now we will replicate this on the other page as well. Do the same stuff, change the path and done. Let's refresh again. Now we are all set. We can navigate between these two pages. Next, let's explore how we can add route parameter to page 2, such as a product ID. To do this, go to app.json file and add product ID to the path of page 2. Hit save. And now in page 2, we will render the product ID here by utilizing the useRoute hook and storing its value in a variable named route. And here, instead of hello from page 2 message, we can change that to something like page for product route.match.product ID. Then back in page 1, inside the link tag, we will update the to prop with a route to some random product. Let's say /Rubik's Cube. Let me change the button label as well. Now let's check the output by refreshing this page. And there you have it. You have learned how to link two pages and utilize route parameters in navigation. Thanks for watching. Happy coding with MERN.AI.